In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks that you need to convert to scientific notation. So if we have a problem like this that says convert 352.8 to scientific notation. So scientific notation takes the following form. It looks like this. And what does that mean exactly? So this first factor will be a number between 1 and 9. And then the second factor here is a power of 10. So for the number 352.8, we move the decimal point to the left until the number is between 1 and 10. So we would keep moving this over until we reach a point where we only have in the front here, in front of the decimal, a number between 1 and 9. So now we count how many places you move the decimal point. We move it 1, 2. So just a note, we wouldn't move the decimal here because then we'd have 35 in front of the decimal. We need to have a number between 1 and 9 in front of the decimal. So we would stop here and we would have 3 in front of the decimal. Okay, so we move the 1, 2. So that means the power of 10 will be 2. So the answer is 3.528 times 10 to the 2. So if we were to change this back to the original form, we would just move this over twice, 1, 2, and we're left with 352.8. And that's it. That's the whole lesson. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you could find a link that will take you right to this lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could check those out. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.